In this video, I'm going to show you how to set or update your YouTube TV zip code so you can ensure access to the correct local channels and regional content. Let's get started. Your zip code is an important part of your YouTube TV account because it determines which local channels, sports teams, and news stations are available to you. To update your zip code, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website and signing into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Playback Settings or Location Settings section, depending on your device. Look for the option labeled Zip Code or Playback Area. Enter your new zip code in the provided field and save your changes. If you've recently moved or are traveling, updating your zip code ensures you receive the correct local broadcasts. However, keep in mind that changing your zip code may affect the availability of certain channels or sports teams, as YouTube TV tailors its offerings based on your location. For example, local affiliates of ABC, CBS, NBC, and FOX will change to match your new area. If you're unable to find the zip code setting in the app, you can also update it through the Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Visit the YouTube TV support page for additional guidance or contact their customer support team for assistance. Finally, if you're traveling and want to access your home region's channels, avoid updating your zip code unless necessary. YouTube TV allows you to stream from anywhere in the U.S., but your channel lineup will remain tied to your original zip code unless changed. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope setting or updating your YouTube TV zip code was simple and straightforward for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.